Nimwesa na mulithiri wa Miru TV no ntuboita na mbere kurumira mubango yo turinge minguchokero ringi na kaitene kani ngwatanirite na CEO wa Pix nikenda tumba kwithira tukileithiria kana kenda tuthia tukileithiria mantu ya kuni hospitality industry ikiligana tutite kaita kara tuthira tukungwira mantu mabra mwanya nikenda umenya kaija kara we omba weta kuliunga mukawe ni yo Pix mantu kana kuliunge mwendo ku family ku biro karia na kakara na kinya kiroa ukanyo itwethire tukiona ni ambisa cia mukawe ya Pix kana tukikathirio mukawe ya Pix I tukwirwa rendirenda tuthuye mukawa yu na njira ya mwanya kana na udani zaidi. Karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
Pesa sawa?
No, thank you.
Kede muleithiri wa Miru TV mwire ori ngwiro rita na kinya naraumite.
Kubuke the winde mono leta wa Ben Morania na kuma Pix Hotel mudiajwa Miru town ya Nanyuki na au ni ondi tangoge te manager wotirira na ibo bwaga muno ntu bantu kwira nyinge twejete waja ojo na bugatuthikira bugatuigwa ibo bwaga muno
ibwa sana tutite season kana muri December yura andu bethera bekungwira kana yura tuthera tukungwira mambura mwanya mno ya thionko na tebo kuthidi ya Pix Hotel kutira customers benu ni ba komba kwethira bakiwirirwo kana bakenjoy thionko yo
na aru memwera teribu bwega muno nontu bwa gutwa nafasi eje nontu bomanto jaire ja manager twenda kuga ijama inge ja kwali manto wa Pix na itukare tukeragia lakini ande this time tuga manto ja Christmas festivities na New Year na ndi mambura ja tubangite Pix na eje na ndi karete withire bwa Pix iwe joke thira tukomba kwithwa twina mibango ya kuma tariki 23 mwanka gukinya tariki 3 inyamune mwaka omweru na kila kinene iko ya kwithwa na chio activities ya chi Pix chia celebration ni nyingi kiria ana kuina michezo ya kedri kwi mingi michezo ya the bouncing castle swings egg hunt kuina michezo ya mingi muno kiuga kuina swimming pool michezo ni mingi muno njeu alafu na kingi na mantu abia kurana biwe joke ya kwithirwa tungeni tukungania na tukomba wikira balance ya joke ndo abina ido bya gichunku ina ido bya kinyamwera bya Kiswahili ina ido bya Kimiru nontu tuita kwithirwa kuona antu baba ingi bakweja bakenda gusample kuona kithanda kiongwa kya kinyamwera kya nchabi gikimibu boga Kimiru we are able to do that na to na nyaga choruna kutokaruga na ndi tukatwena mateo jonde then on top of that itubange na ndi between mwezi jojo na jojo ngi na yutuite December kwi na tutaka tuko na ndi ana baraba ukura bokinya miaka 10 witieguru ya nara forest na ndi na kuitubange tabibangu ya wikia ana ni untubwa character building iura kujenga mtu kimaisha na yake yudieje nayo twina mibango tubangite kwithura twaitia mwera kirimara in the forest na anda turare ku window more the instructors tuyato nyamwera no it's a very good experience kiriana baba no ndi kumba kuthibira character building bakomba kuimenya na in a controlled environment na ino ituthitie unio ko ndi nungu ndio taganya mwera teringuira twina chenye mwera mweri jojo ku make sure that jojo na jojo ngi na nyamwanga kwambiria January twina mibango yo yonde
ibwa sana kuri no ntubweru kana utungata brabore nabo kana bokethera bore nabo kaitaka festive brabotethera buriku kaitaka kangi
na ndi think what we did this time ikomba ku balance mantu jaro jonde tugekira nyamwera twina hoteli nyumba ni kurarwa kawaida binyamwera mirugire ri kunyamwera yu tubange ni bubwega then tugwatithenia na ndi na activities chenyamwera chia eje tugwita the wellness center na wellness center na ndio kwejoketha kwina swimming pool na swimming pool wetu ne murutira ndio twina activities ni kuithia kundene wichi wetwa akwasumba na mantu ya jabu twina massage pala twina nto very qualified kuithia massage na Kimiru nderwe massage uchocho or something like that I'm not sure then twina of course beauty parlor kuthithia nails ya kuthithia barber twina mibango, and then the outdoor. The outdoor ndio yoke ya kwitha in the eventing grounds twina nyamwera twina ije rwimbo kana nyamwera antu bakiria kuketha kwina nyamwera country music, ukethira kwina band entertain antu na ndi na arafu kuma una ndi kwina ire kumara o mena kuna ndi gwita jonto na families ikomba gwita nyamwera igeta kiri the animal orphanage bakomba kuona animals in a controlled environment na jau jonto mo itu balance it very nicely, and we think this year na ndi we to do meta ya to did previously na itu with what we have now is a package ile komba kwithura na ndi entertain the family kumana ana mwanka achiari bao
na ta mukao ya pixi ko gwithia kutira kuri na ontuire kana ne yutonyo ontuire ka kaitene ka kuna ntukena antu baraba keya wowe undirenda byakora bya kimiro ndirenda unkime oyo ndirenda mukimo kana mantu yangi yake ontuire
nindo warake nyamara kiri batu nyamara mantu ya byakura itweka ruzito mono na ituje watu amiru tweleta kura bwega na twene turi maana tukira no sasa na nandi kawe itwinya ile bono kuya kwethirwa irio ni enough na quality ndio ndikethira sasa na ngwithike kimbango juu up to now ntre wa complete na ina ikirugwa na ndere ana kono ntwika thithwa set menus ile irithwa kwina bia kudabia kimiru kwina bia kudabia kithwiri kwina bia kudabia gichungu ti uria kimwe ni wetwa sample beyond ko una ndege kure okare mwankare okagitate ari okaigwa na ri okinyira una ndi okinyamuthia utirwa tigira gukura muno
self service
ina self service
ko mtu no achokere
muta na that's what we encourage people to do no tunandiketha nwejere njera no pe ore akomba kutonya ku then surely you must be mwera na ndio bakuthona na ku ndena ndio orire package na jau jangi jonde dakwira na nyamwero joketha bia kura isasa waketha no kurara nyamwero umune isasa wa kuthambira ku isasa wa na ndi bia ndo jokya ku package rithetwe na igwatene yonde na ndio urokomba kuthibra kwithura ndi ukinyira ara igutara uri kwenda kuthithia
aiboya sana apart from bia kura himbi bingi biri kubya kiontwere
nte kuelewa umbira
apart from pia kurabia kimiro
yes.
Maybe mantu yare kuyangia ikuyara kana yaramuletheria wa Miru TV kana customer wa Pix abatire kwithira akirigira rera ke ya Pix yari na ontwire
ontwire ni cultural culture isn't
it kana traditions
na ndi ndo ngutara ndauga na ndi joke yakwithwa jonto churwa kimiru tukaruga ndike nchabi cha ukima tukaruga bigacha bona tunywa tungoti tunyongo ukare akajuga if you want to so na ndi think kwena variety nyamwera wenda jonto ugetumwa tugire nkime nyamwera nkima no eruwe ene ketho erugie white ketho erugie nyamwera yeje ogembe antu bakwenda nkime ogembe mono na ndi ile bia kimiru byo tukwira ku balance na ndo gatukimbalance ile kimiru ndakura tena ndi ona twasavira tukagiria kuimite tena ndi weta kirindera gusawira bya miru uketha tugerete kugemia kimiru weta ndi rutero kidhoiri uketha bya meto kidhoiri weta kigichungu udhori bya meto gichungu na ndi that creates a bit of originality joko na nyamwera truly na ndi this a Meru environment and the food taste ya kimiru taki kidhoiri the same weta nyamwera kiri nyamwera ndo kwa kwina kare kwina biriani kwina chapati hiyo ndio ndi cha rutero kidhoiri and then of course ndio gitaki gichungu nakio na ndio taki steaks with kiri vegetables like you know chiwate na gichungu kio yes
thank you na kuri na maybe entertainment kana family activities special ribangisia festive for example ya tour
nandi apart from nandi ile kuthithia ndene ndakwira nyamwera there are lots of activities nonto na into kura utero muraro wa spa na wellness center inautu na swimming pool na twina gym we got a modern gym, it's very good kile antu baba kwenda kuthithia exercise niyo nandi ile ongo kura twina nyamwera twina ira massage na beauty parlor niyo na alafu twina steam bath na sauna it's a very interesting thing no tunande weta ki sauna tuga ni dry heat no ntu otonya kanyomba karia wachingira either muntu mo kabere kabatu kabara no tuikaita karbia group na ndi yeta iwo gekira ruje kanyumwera maigera jana mwanki na wekira maigera jana mwanki radu ite steam and that is steam and it's good for you ndo sweat na mango sweat kabisa ndi you can come out wetoka takipuru the same thing ndio weta no kinyumura ki steam bath no naituga wet heat no ntura nwega kulinga kinyumwera na ki fog kia kina mwanki you sweat in that environment again and you kumara na still get okay the work you take a shower you dive into the pool all those things we are able to do. And the other thing which I don't know kedwa no community pigs ere nyamwereri kugo kuinge kwa kulira na kwenda variety and one of the most fascinating places ni nyamwai rooftop no ndo rooftop inare guru nara nchumbi buru nare where there is nothing ute roof or that is in the open na nara ikuthithie twe kwina restaurant no na ndio watego kuona Mount Kenya nio yiji watego kuona Bedea nio yiji watego kwa Loltaiga nio and the scenery is beautiful do know that's still something which we are offering kile na mora kile and we want to yoto million arwa kenda bakamia tu na those varieties yes
kaita kara mtu ya pigs kana anto barabara ya kwena pigs hotel ya mtu ya pigs tu na kona maybe with a gym kana services wingi no mwanka are
no
kana no with a gym waki
no you can go to
swim
yes
yeah
no you can go to a gym yonka kana wetoka swim waki kana wetoka idhira massage yake kana wetoka idhwa nails ni ikwena nails wagweta pedicure na manicure kwena barber services yuchio ndikinya yunda utaria steam bath na sauna all of those uko wetoka independent ukaide na ukomara ugeta
Ibu sana babu ya hospital kana ya industry ya hospitality kuna mawaya kana benefit bona kumanya na mambra ya thionko maybe usindare uringi
mono udai no to jomora ndire kijira gitara thionko every it a celebratory mood antu ibakwenda kumara they want to see something do something different eat in a different environment boka relax as a family na ndiko nyomora generally kinyomora ki festivities it will to a lot of guests who turn up kind of for that you know they can go enjoy those services which you are extending
mbaya sana kuri na maumo bwethera kilo kera ya hospitality industry kuri na maumo kana challenges
I think challenges in terms of customer service temono no tunaiba tu mwera tukari we apply kana tu bange ita kuya kwithira tu komba entertain ageri kulingana inge uraba keja of course now the working hours na they yoke kwithira no manka tu tu na enough time kwa tekia bonde ko that is mwera a normal issue na ndiki ngira keja maybe na ndiwe yoke for example late bookings na ndiwe late bookings na ndiwe kedra mtu na kwenda kweja lakini na ndina nafasi ne ekura na hiyo some people ile moito jatu akaje to let down our guests no tunade no space na ndi antu batea book mapema na ukeja kuwa na hike ndio tu advertise mapema to ugoro kwenda kweja nyumura banga mapema na kwena something to with early bird no ukabook yoke the nyoda discount so that now na confirm it now we are able to block your space iweku utakeja kwa inconvenience kweja kuibobeja literally tariki 24 night na iba kwenda kurada na family na kapika night mea
kwa corona ta baja kwa yanto ya ubase kwa kurara na ta kuita
na ile mea tujulika twageri ochwangi na ito kalinga thimu other hotels kuria tha mtu uromba kwa nyamwera kwa assisted so early planning I think it's good for everybody na tunaikia tukibanga bangwera yetu itutumba kubanga twije falene nganene jete na tuka make sure na to take care of them properly
kuibwebwethera bure na aini baba ingi sana mambrene ya thionko na atia pics hotel umba kwethira ikianania kana ikibalance atiateka aini local na aini international
incidentally batu nyomwera over the Christmas festivities tutitha twina internationals muno local to this extent na ndio joke ya kwithira antu baumite mwera be muno tutitha twina antu kuma Nairobi tutitha twina antu kuma Kiambu Murang'a Nyeri Meru na they think na that's an area where we expect a lot of guests kuma na kuni mwera tete muno withira na ndia ageni baraba kuma ome bara na ibeja na ndi gitari aringira season ile ingecha michemanyo na conferencing kwa I think tutitha twina bigger challenge to make sure that we are catered for those communities but within the area.
Kuri na community ire bodi lonkirite ni bubatire kwithira buke miletheria imitaratara iri kubukite kutira ibukungi back to the society kuri na mibango yo
na ndike batu nyamwera twera na nyuki batu tete na nyuki town although nyamwera we are within the environment of nyuki town on tuga gwetu na nyuki na ndi laki turutera ramiro no to I think there's something which a lot of people batije na nyuki as a town actually the lower parties in Meru, the middle parties in Laikipia, na the southern parties in Nyeri. Na ndi itauni isava those three counties. Na kibatu ande atuejere nyamwera twakire hoteli yeje ni antu kwina nafasi ku benefit the community. Na ndi ukedra batu kidemora like the vegetables especially we buy from the local community. Tonga na itu tukwenda specialized tukeja Meru market. No Meru market ni sava nyan mwana na nyuki. So that na kumawo in terms of the products in kara nyama changuku changombe cha whatever we buy from the local community. The other thing which we are also trying to do ikoja kuithira tuina mikakati igu touch the community. Na ndio kaya kuithira in that village tuina nyamura a village forum arato trimanaga na tukalima toja connect the village and we contribute like everybody else or better than everybody else where we can no to what we are bigger no to it's a rural setup ingira ni mwana andiki kuandika na ni andito kaidebra we try to get the local people barabe na the right training kana batu mba train na wejaba kandi kwa pigs and lakini na the most important thing is qualification yo kedra mtu na bomreta do mantu hotel industry then we will consider them for employment.
Tuo tiromerete hospitality na maybe no kwenda kuritana manto mtu no yakaritano
kuba bambirire from zero jere badira from 4 jambirire nyamwera gutethera in the kitchen and today they are cooks. That also happens.
That's very nice. Kurina audit packages kana promotion bonus yokaitene kakadiongo.
Yes, we do. Na itutangazite na tuga it's something na itu nyamwera tu on radio, on TV, to reach out on social media. These are the packages we have in your course each package. These are the benefits and like mtu na ndio and decide they will come to apply akadhibaga to contact kana tuba kumubook ilio
mwananchi wa kawaida na odedi mukao ya fix hayo kira kona yaka atumba kwa phone tisi mare ya fix ya kari hata ai friendly kire mtu wonde
teri mwananchi wa kawaida. I think it's a bit difficult to define mwananchi wa kawaida nuriku and Peaks Hotel is a middle level hotel. Na middle level hotel, what I mean, igitara nyumara the relative festive normal rates to from the lowest room rates, it is standard rooms. It costs 7,900 shillings bed and breakfast. Na this 7,900 shillings bed and breakfast na ndi no kwiwe it's not very cheap. It's not very expensive. Na ndio tega kile hoteli inge nyamwera within Nanyuki na Meru I think is a bit buka ndokome dynamics cho hoteli ore kari between Meru na Nanyuki no to 7,900 na maybe comparative romba ko joka uga nyamwera ntiyeni hoteli ko tiri achiri aja uchichiri nyaja aja Meru town uchichi more expensive kulingi chi cheaper than that. Na Nanyuki is the same thing. Chi more expensive kulingi chi cheaper than that. Kuna it depends on muntu yagwa achi wale bora ku debora ile akumba and then that's how we come in. So don't go like mwananchi wa kawaida it's very difficult to define the common man.
Thank you. Na kaita karabo kulitana anto kanabo train anto kubibo ba chanji
training utunyumato tichaja anto no batu nyamwera na ndi no na training ndakura kuba bakeja kwandi kwa nguye nyamwera general work mwanga ba train mwanga muntu wa wite mwanga ara kumba ina ndia online ira kumba we training to idhiani of course ya colleges ba there ba idhiani mwera ba their training ibeja for industrial attachment you know industrial attachment yoke yana iwe ko rokedro anto banga nona na ina boy trainee na bona ituka boy trainee no tunandi kana atachi meaning that na ndio bakeja kugusawa bakeze ato baitana process you. You know, that's something which we also do to make sure that we are also contributing to the to the national capital ya labor and to kudhamini qualification.
Sana. Mulethiri Wamiru TV maybe aduria nikiwa ntonkeja otiri ne bwa pigs na te otiri ni wingi.
Ina choice ya kuja pigs. I think
the
kila kinene ikwethirwa pigs it has got something na ndio gateka blending ya tuithitege pigs ni unda kwina nyamura kwina compartment ithatu nkiuga na mwere mo kwina the mainstream kuri utidire kawaida we kwina restaurant kwina bar kwina rooms kwina conferences is section yemo ya pigs hotel kwina section ile ingine na ndio ya wellness na ndio kwina wellness na ndio joke ya kwina the swimming pool the heated pool kwina nyamwenda utalianda kwina spa kwina gym kwina steam bath na kwina sauna ndio hiyo ndio segment yingi na ile yingi ni outdoor no ndio yoke akwithira kwina mwera zipline ile kinene kuna ndio zipline ndoteruria amango the other mwera mantu waithia ndere kwina zipline na zipline na hiyo tutindaja muno is about 8 meters but it's a very nice experience. It's a unique experience. And then of course we have got grounds when on grounds ni unaito the events na niunda kwa jonto etu tukubanga Christmas ukayodira kwina mwera kwina na wiki nyamwera tents kera tumba kwithe mantu yankwira ja kuthirandi different meals different environment kwa wetu nyamuromba kulira guntu kuthatu kakuna within a day ugatoka rende mwera kinande juju ugatande ukaria miru ugatande ukaria gichungu ugaitena ade guru wetoka thibro kalira now that's a different experience. I think we offer something which is unique in this part of the world.
Tuwe mtu ya ni speaks na nakwenda swim maybe atakumia kuswim kuna ntoba train mtu
of course you in normal in gym in nyamwera in the gym nyamwera assistant the pool in a lifesavers na trainers na ndio weja na incidental nuje pool na ule kali tele kwenda deep end kwenda shallow end kwenda the baby pool kwa unande ngora nyantu bamubara kwambira buru okira roje kapisa mtu munene akambira baby pool ndio na ndio tana ino ntwara kare igashalo
ati ungana na twana
indi wetakwa kwenda kuba maybe the timing na hiyo ugo twakubangira ndio ketha wino bwaburu twakubangira okenya time ira mbere ana beja kana after ana bauma na ndio jo kambiri ara wachoko kazibura pole pole na ndio ka upgraded no trying na ndio the shallow end still is very shallow no rungamio na ina deep end na ukirungama na ndio jo kedra ndio na it's a little bit deep una ndio kinya swimming pool kimto tije uko na swim sauna na steam bath uti experience yokwenda igutoja kikundene na ndiye tage ni gwetwe basi ukambira sweat o sweat after a while ukaumara utikare gitari nene ukaumara the same case with the gym no etakiwe ukeza gym instructor agakuone hii the wojo kwa utenoga totigirwa na ndiye wiwenka no
Ibwa sana mulethiri wa Wamiru TV katumba kwithira tukinoka kidogo nituchokerete.
Wooden, handcrafted furnished rooms. Through the windows a beautiful mountain view. And a restaurant you taste the world on your plate. Enjoy the nature of the spillover. At the Yummy Bar is where we sip and wine. Lovely sunset cocktails at the rooftop. And great service at the Summit Restaurant. There is a heated swimming pool. There is sauna, steam bath, gym, massage, and a beauty parlor. Are there gardens and an outdoor center? Yes, come hold your events. And for adventure lovers, come experience fun and thrilling challenges that master your fears. Will my kids have fun? You have no idea. All our little ones smile. Pix Hotel, Pix Hotel. We celebrate love at Pix Hotel. We celebrate life at Pix Hotel. We celebrate, yeah. We celebrate love at Pix
The festive
Hotel.
season is here, and at Pix Hotel Nanyuki, we are ready to make it magical. Come celebrate with us this festive season with laughter and luxury, only at Pix Hotel Nanyuki.
Pix Hotel, beauty and taste with nature.
Ibwa sana mulethiri wa Meru TV no ntuvoita na mbere kurumira mubango yo turingeme kaitene kangu atanirite na CEO wa mukao ya Pix atutana mbere kuthuya mukao ya Pix ni kendo kamenya kaita karoet oeta kulunga mwendo kukana kinyanje kumbira kumba kwithira ukiona kana ubatire kwithira kirigira mukao ene yura ya Pix ikireke kenda kumba kwithira kana nimbi ukenda kwithira ukimenya ukoni mukao ya Pix nkenda waranirie na batu kilokera nambiwe kwa nandie keni kyako kilokera WhatsApp na kenya kwa ulene ututhiatira kili mitandao yetu ya ukinyaniria Facebook ni Meru TV Kenya, YouTube IG na kinya TikTok bado ni Meru TV Kenya uba kwethira ukiaraniria na batwe kaiteneka hibwa sana Mr. Benjamin omba kwethira yote ira kulina tua anto baba kalionga Pix kaiteneka ka festive na rekubo babatire kwithira bakirigira kuliungwa.
Yeah, thank you Terry. Na ndekire nyumbara kiri excursions kana na ndekumara kiri hoteli kuweza kuona something exciting. Batu na ndeki don't they are Laikipia in a lot of things to offer. Lakini the critical things that tu gani Laikipia na Meru by the way. Na ndeno ntukwe na Ngarendare. Ngarendare forest is a community forest. Na kilomita about 29 kuba Pix. Na area na ndeki Ngarendare kimantuja two main key things in and morab wirayantu mono you could walk to the blue pools, blue pools. Na ndio kinyamuro jojo Wangare weta is about a distance of about 3.5 kilometers with it amaguru through the forest kwenda Ngari. And I weta bugaite na nyamure bukiona those pools, bukiona the beauty is the pools. And they are we did on blue pools. That's very exciting. Na ndiki kira very exciting Ngarendare ni canopy walk. Na canopy walk iwe jobo gaitie guru manke guru nara kapisa na ndi you walk iguru na une kuduko diretwe. No ka walk I think it's for 450 meters. Neba uga that is the longest one I don't know in Eastern Africa and Central Africa something like that. It's a lot of fun and ukalingwa bicha sometimes they can be very scary. So that's one beauty which now people can be able to enjoy there. The next one nandi baraba tromba wite Mount Kenya Buru no wetabuga ite mwanka Old Moses. Na Old Moses witiria ya Solomon ke baraba ije mwaruti witiria Solomon. Wetoka Old Moses na ndi ni ara ibomba kweta na maguru mwanke kuyange wetwa Met Station. Na that environment again is different. No ntuwejoke akuza no kurukira forest waitekrimene kidogo lakini nandi nyangari dite ya Old Moses. Kwa ndo bakojo kaza family bitire mwanka jamwera au bokina na ngari then from there you are able to walk around na kulingwa ambisha nebo kuona the highest parts of the mountain imbere yenu bado lakini nandi bokomba kutaka the rest of the world. It's a very nice place also kiri families ku visit. Of course nandi we kurukira forest bokweza bokona animals, queen animals bokona zebras, monkeys and water bugs, those kind of animals. Inge nandi noneni the Mount Kenya Animal Orphanage. Niona nandi it's still about 16 kilometers kuma peaks. Niona iwate na Mount Kenya Safari Club, hoteli to Mount Kenya Safari Club. Hiyo niona nandi ina kuena nyamochi ome. Lakini ile ingi chile ni kile enclosure ya orphanage kawaida kuna nkuru tortoise kuna cheetah kuna lakini chonde domesticated meaning that they domesticated lakini ni chile anda mwera i controlled environment na ndikile ana baraba kwenda kuona these animals from close quarter the animal orphanage is highly recommended. Then the other thing na ndinyo mwera kile Olpejeta ni na ndikile is a drive. It should be about another 15 or 16 kilometers kuma peaks. Niona that is something which is tukayegitari nene. Niona hapo with Olpejeta ukoona the big five, that's the lion, the buffalo, the rhino, the kutunkuwa buffalo, the elephant, each on the komba kuona. But also what is very unique ke Olpejeta is the white rhino. No, the white rhino kibaraba bendeta kuona twanyanya mocha kidaka ni kore yeke kudira. Na they are trying to kuchoke udoe kombocho kwa kairi. It's a very interesting thing in Italian nyamwere scientist but involved in Nyamwere. It will be very nice to see that, and then of course kuna baboons, chimpanzee, chiaretro kuma from Rwanda. So it's also very exciting apart from the normal other animals, and of course kuna gazelles, kuna zebras, kuna giraffes. It's very interesting, and then abokira ndo aba kwenda kuita Nyamwere kun drive ukiona nyamu in their natural habitat. That's an exciting thing. I think na ndekire nyamwana umenyanade Laikipia in a lot of game reserves. Lakini ndo kalenda atara chionka hiyo already you can see that is into we can give parents and families to choose what they think is reasonable. Na ndiko umuntu ajara peaks you can be able to go to those places. Na ndiko peaks you still can choose wejoka one direction na weto komba ku enjoy that as a family.
Nibaya sana. Nkona kuri na anto mwanya bumba kwethera baituma ntumirichio kona mtukumenyekana ya Dennis Mutuma mbera say I to see you Mwarania. I am one of the people who can attest that Peaks Hotel is a place to be, courtesy of the CEO himself.
Wow, that's very kind of him. Thank you very much.
Ngokonyekana Gloria kawa Mr. Mwarania doing it with a lot of excellence. Peaks Hotel, the best place. Kuna ngeno kuria mauria gym. Akona kuria gym. Haruria nimbechiana.
Now with a quick gym work, I'm not sure. I think it's something like, is it 500? I'm not very sure. Yeah, but that's something which I can be able to check. Na still ngakwera tell so that you can be able kumwera. Unfortunately, in those figures with me here, I think buga 500 per session.
Per day, per session. How many minutes?
No, it's been hours. Gym work for hours. Na ndime yako kadi demo angari depends on the level of fitness, and then you are able to by the time you could reach on maybe you are 3 hours. Yes.
Kuna ntobaraba mbapenda wite Kirimene ya Mount Kenya. Ubite dasianto Kirimene?
Yes, we do. Na ndio kora Nyamwere ngokwera ateri wejo nungu kwenda kwera nandi kiri lakini nkuwa ngao confirm mwera the rates cha gym so that nandi kenda I will let you know about that. Ndo kana ndio kenya kona kiri ije kwena issues to ila tutangaza na to kiri anabara na Nyamwere ki character building ni wotoga kiri these events with the forest camping na kwenda day trip. So kile ana miaka 15 na witie guru tariki 12 mwezi Juni kuma 12 mwaka 14 na kuma 20 mwaka 22 tukaitithia ana kile mwa that on Tulele forest the deep indigenous part of the forest not to be with forest ye man made ile anto bandita miti na iteu ibweta mwaka bwataga leo bweta ke indigenous forest ndio na ndi Nyamwere for 2 days to on 12 to in the 13 na tume 14 and it's a very exciting event. Alafu nandi na kana mwaka 22 mwaka 20 mwaka 22 kaidi nandi you 15 and above and that will cost into mwaka 13,500 per person kwa maelezo mtu abudi kudhivia na of course mtu rumangeza medically fit no tunali nare kwa challenge no tubanya Nyamwere kwa altitude alafu na day trip na ndiki na baba nuntunuba in between 8 na 14 na baba tukaitia tariki 20th. Hiyo na tukaita na chio nde chijiri parents bakwa encourage kuja kuona what is it we are saying bakije na mwera camping bakirugira bakije exercises the challenges ira bakathithia na ndi day trip na yana baba nuntunu na bona this chio we walk to in a campsite yo better the exercises and then they are able to come back na with the parents ka better pics. So those are things which we are planning. Of course kuendelea na dedicated with Mount Kenya. Now with Mount Kenya, you need to call for instructors. We have got very qualified instructors. Na bonadi unade to through ceremony. Na nyi tutangazite. Na ndi with through the ceremony route. Weta bakubaba Kenya Old Moses. Bageta to wetu Shipton. Na ike abaita point la nana. Kile antubara bati mountaineers. You can only walk up to point lenana. Point lenana nyumwa point ya ni dhatu. Kuimbati ya Nelion na lenana. Na you can walk up to point lenana and come down. It's very exciting. It takes 3 to 4 days.
Ibaya sana. Mauri ya mtu mnene na ya mwana ni umwe.
Na ndi nyamwerea ali. The day trips na the forest camping, yes. To charge the no to kweketha orambu witire na mwana oku kinyabo wakamata miliko yaku na okarea. So lakini we are charging the same rate to teach you so that parents can also see how their children can be able to benefit that outdoor na ndino outdoor compared to ajoke yakona maisha yaja kwithwa ana bai throughout TV bai maukune which is very good. Lakini alikwe nafasi kukara in the natural setup. There is a very interesting education kile ana baba yetu nabo na ndiba komba kwa nyamwera boys and girls na ndinda atakaja una no to dai ile nyamwera we kwa katenema ndadi ile nyamwera Loitoktok on the slopes of Mount Kenya. Sorry, Mount Kilimanjaro. And to this day, I still remember that. What we did back in those years, it's about 50 years ago. It's very into kegoro. And it assists in character building. Na mtu kuimenya. It's something which would encourage for parents and young people. It's a big lesson in life. And your people also know kulika itu awaikiri no.
Yeah.
Yes. And so it's something which for every person when you want to kujoka nuku na kwenda back to nature, looking at yourself, we have to create a situation jaibu when we can the mountain either the forest level or the mountain itself.
Sana. Okay, ro describe kana utariri vibe ya Mukaya Peaks like kaka festive in 3 months kumba kuatia. Na
vibe ni na Kimiru vibe ikuga into special.
Yes. Yes.
I think you come and unwind. Yes. People have stayed, you have worked very hard, mwaka mzima. Give yourself a day or two to come and we will spoil you. We will spoil you in every way and to make sure that you have fun with yourself as an individual, with the family. And we have created an environment that could make sure that by the time you stay for those 1, 2, 3 days, it will not be the same. It can be the next year, 2026, with freshness.
Sana. Tire ugibo kuko muthia tukithirikiri.
Niunda kwa nyamwera batu Peaks Hotel, we are very grateful to kuona nyamwera batu and to betu amiru batu watirite mono. We are very grateful for that. Na tu kugalia every way to make sure that na ndi wejo tiri in area ukomba kuja kwithirwa kumenya Kimiru igekiega. Lakini the rest of the world also by na manto jara mega badidaya and we have to better balance it. We have got people who are very well trained and to courteous by how important a guest is. And it's always a pleasure. We make friends. We make a lot of friends. Na karibu also there are those who come and correct us. You know, still we also learn. So in the process take kuja kukanadeke za kuinto kitibu hii utumba kulia. You can ask, can you do it this way, or can I suggest? We also give room for that, and therefore, you know that apart from the hotel, take advantage of the opportunity to go to connect around kumaro etoke akwenda when those kind of challenges which are controlled, where we can be able to build Kenya's future in your children and my children.
Hivyo sana nikenda tu namba ya customer service kana namba ira mtu omba kuringa akenda kumenya anything about Pix.
The main number ni hiji ya Safaricom 0711 969 690. Ngachokerio kairi mutegera 0711 969 690.
Ibwa sana nantu bwa kweya na ukomba kwithira tumenyethia mantu yako ni Pix nkerigira ukomba kweya kinya ringi na ringi.
Thank you very much Terry. Watu wana nafasi na watu karibisha. We are always happy to come back to Meru. Thank you mno.
Thank you. Hivyo sana mlithiria wa Meru TV hau ni otekira katanta kiri mubango ya turinge ime oba kwithira wikinya mukawe ni Pix ni kenda ukomba kwithira wikenera thiunkweku kaiteneka oba kwithira wina kaitaka kea bitawa tiri babu.